Hello and welcome to the Hula Hoop help video where I will be going over how to add a rotating list of testimonials into your website. So a lot of people use this group option for sort of in the sidebar areas on their website. So I have an item here and it's just some text and a header style that I've applied to it. So below that I'm going to add in a group and then I'm going to add in a couple testimonials. And we can make it so that only one displays at a time and that a random one is picked whenever somebody comes to this page. Yeah, so it just looks nice. People on their websites will have these in the sidebar usually. And then when people are browsing around the website, a new testimonial will be brought up at random. And yeah, it just looks good. So I will start off here. So the first thing I'm going to do from the Add Content menu, I'm going to select the Group option. And then from the list of options there, I'm going to choose the Rich Text Asset List one here. So we'll do that. A couple of these settings we won't need to set. We do only want one testimonial showing up at a time. So I'm going to set items per row to 1. And number of rows I'm also going to set to 1. The order by option here, so that's where we would choose the random option from the drop down here, and that will make it so that only one testimonial is displaying at a time, and it'll make it so that that one is randomly chosen from the testimonials that you have added into Hula Hoop. So that's all we need to set there for the style tab there. Let's jump into the contents tab now. So we'll just click on that one up here. And we will select the create new option. And then I will go into my notepad document here. I have just a couple testimonials in here. So I'm going to copy one. And then I'm going to paste one in here just with Control V and Control C copy and Control V for paste. So what I normally do when I'm adding in testimonials to a website is I will bold the name just to make it stand out a bit more, and then I will also copy the name and then I will put that in as the asset name for this asset in the group there, and that just makes it easier to adjust the testimonials later on. So the asset name only shows up for you when you're working in Hula Hoop. So it's just for your reference, really. So now that I have that all set up, I will hit the save button here. And then I will create a second one. So I'm going to, again, just hit the create new button. And then I'm going to jump into my notepad document, grab the text with Control C, and then paste it in with Control V. And then, as I did before, I'm just going to select the name here and copy it with Control C and then bold it with Control B. You can also use the bold option here in the text editor. And then I'm just going to paste in the name of the person for the asset name, and then I will hit the save button. And yeah, we have those two here now. So later on, if you want to adjust one of the testimonials, you can hit the edit button for this group, come into the contents tab here, and then just click on whichever one you want to adjust. It'll take you into the screen that I was just at, and you can adjust the text and then save it, and then resave the group here. So for now I have everything that I want in there. I have my two testimonials, and I will hit the save button here. And there you have it. So we have our header in here, as I mentioned before, and now we have that group here with the two testimonials in there. So whenever people are browsing the website and they click on this page here, a randomly selected testimonial will show up. Like so. And there you have it. That's all there is to the that group option there. So if you have any other questions, let us know. You can make a comment on this video here, or you can email us at support@hulahoop.net. Thank you for watching.